Yo, and welcome back to a video by sybilattackcrypto, and today we're looking at the Shardeum. Shardeum, one of the upcoming airdrops that people are expecting. They raised 18.2 millis from all these people that you can see over here, and this is one of those dreaded airdrops that videos that I've been trying to make. Right, 5% coin allocation for airdrops and early community members. Awesome. Why do I say it's a dreaded video? Because I tried to make it a while ago and it looked like, man, it was rough, the ecosystem, but now it looks like it improved a lot. Some hiccups, but looks good. Right, so the 5% in powder blue up there is for the ecosystem. That's the airdrop for you and me, the ones that are getting at it. All right, and then a lot for node mining. So if you want to get a piece of that action, go to their Discord. All right, so let's jump in. For this, don't use the second one, 2.0, use 1.6. And strangely enough, you can go to chainlist.org and you can add it there, to add it to MetaMask. But do not use 2.0 because it's not going to work for any of the dApps. That's number one. And then strangely enough, it is called Binance Smart Chain in MetaMask. Strange. And also it is called Rose. The ticker of their token is called Rose. Another strange thing, but there you can see I added it, Binance Smart Chain, and but it's not, and the ticker is Rose. So next, make your way to we added the endpoints over here, and then we're going to make our way to the Le Faucet, and we're going to get some test tokens. All right, so what you have to do there is a tweet. You have to tweet it out. So clicking on the link, and all right, so tweet now. It's going to copy the tweet. It's going to paste it for you as a tweet and replace your address with your address in your MetaMask. Boom. $2 if you can tell me who the bodybuilder is in the picture over there. Tell me who, and then with your ETH address. All right, so I'm going to put in my link to the thing, and now I've got to choose some squirrels with some flowers. Strange. Right, and request my SHM, but it's not going to be SHM. Remember, it is Rose. All right, so I got my 100 Rose, and if I go to my wallet, I'm going to see it populate over there. There we go. Now, after our first app, this one didn't work, but I'll still put the link in the description. Perhaps when you give it a try, it will work. But for me, it didn't. So I'm gonna try and swap. In the end, you can also submit and create your own contract on their smart chain, just to stand out a little bit. I did mine, and so that's kind of interesting. Stick around until the end. So I'm gonna quickly register my Shardeum name over here, Sybil, and it costs about 30 SHM or Rose, and can't really edit the gas. Shardeum name service. Shards. Their block explorer didn't work at the beginning, so I don't know why. So this one didn't work. Like I said, you can Genesis community test tokens. After the next one, a swap, connect with MetaMask. I can see that my SHM is picked up, or my Rose, and I'm going to swap it for their token over here, and then add some liquidity. confirm. Here, take my rose. Sun. Then add their token to my MetaMask. And there we go, the Block Explorer. So kind of rough, like I said. Search for my address. And there I can see I have transferred the tokens. And now I'm going to try and add some to their pool. Pool, add. So if you provide liquidity, you get a kickback. And swapped. And approve it. And this approve took a long time. A really long time. So in the end, when I deployed my contract, I deployed the contract, but I couldn't interact with the contract because I had a stuck transaction. And when I came back 2 days, it was still stuck. So be careful. We use it pending transaction, and I came and I went to speed it up, and it didn't make any difference. So there I'm speeding it up. So here you have Spyo, and this is NFT minting. So there I linked my profile and I give it a name, Sybil, and the description, yo, we love the Shardeum. Still kind of rough around the edges, to be honest. It's EUM, not IUM. And create Shardeum 1.2, 1.5, 1 point. I think the 0.2.0 is the main release, which is scheduled, I think, for Q1 2023. So in, what's that, 3 months, perhaps? So like I said, if you run into any problems on the website, it is kind of okay because you're not using actual money. And the second kind of okay thing is, like, this is rough, right? This is still very much testnet, right? DevNet. Expect things to break, expect things to not work. Kind of part of the learning curve. And then we have our last one over here, Shardeum testnet swap. I'm gonna try and swap a couple of things. Shardeum, 10 Shardeum for GC. Connect to my wallet. Boom, one more time. $3 for the person that can tell me who that bodybuilder is. Wrapped Shardeum. That is what the W is there. And swap or wrap. And so, like I said, I was waiting for the first transaction to clear. The other ones were queued behind it. And so this one obviously didn't work. But so if I can recommend, skip the first one and then just go to start from this one and then work your way back. And if you feel like you're inclined to to publish your own contract on their net, then do that first before you do the last one. All right, so now I'm going to quickly show you how to deploy the contract. Make your way to Open Zeppelin over here, and then you're going to choose ERC20 contract and give it a name and give it a symbol. Symbol is a ticker, sybilattackcrypto, SAC, and then I'm going to call it Shibul over here. So then I'm going to mint 888 pre-mint. And mintable, burnable. Not sure what flash minting is. And ownable, of course. And then you're going to open it up and remix. Super easy. All right, so we're going to compile the contract. But first, we need to know so we're going to compile it. And then before we publish it, we need to get the chain that we're going to publish it on. And so we're going to cheat a little bit. You'll see how. Okay, so compile, looks good. And then here, before you deploy it, we are going to choose injected provider, a MetaMask. You guys see it, number 3 from the top. So this is what I mean cheating, right? And we are going to connect our wallet. And boom, 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 boom. And we are going to click deploy. You can deploy and publish to IPFS if you feel like you want to. But yeah. So like I said, to interact with the contract is pretty simple. If you can make it this far, you can figure it out. Enjoy.